everyone, good morning, welcome to the vlog. Excuse the mess behind me, we are literally sorting out our conservatory. Yep, don't mind that. I came and sat in the sun because I thought it might look cute, but now I can't see. Anyway, welcome back to the vlog. I haven't seen you guys in ages. So today I thought I'd just take you guys on my quarantine lockdown and show you guys what I get up to. So I was going to film this morning and show you guys this chicken pie that my mum always makes. It's like famous, it's so nice, but she's already started making it, so it looks like we're halfway there. So we're gonna have to just go in halfway through and see what's going on with the pie. So yeah, let's go inside guys and see what's happening with the pie. Okay, so Mama already started. What have you done so far, Mama?
I put the heat on and made this pan hot. Then I cut the onions, and whilst the pan was hot I just sort of tossed the onions around to sort of brown them, but you have to do it really quickly because you've got a hot pan, you've got no oil, and you don't want the onions to burn. So once you've done that, you've got to put the leeks in, put the carrots in, you stir it around and you add water and you add some salt and pepper, and then you just boil it. This makes the stock, gives it flavour from the onions, the carrots and the leek. And then here in this pan, this is what I've done here already, is I'm going to put some butter in here.
Put some butter in.
And it's important to heat the pan up first. Let the pan melt the butter. Don't put the chicken into a cold pan. It makes a difference to how the chicken's going to turn out. And then in here, this is just plain flour. And I've washed the chicken. And you just do this. It just stops the chicken from sticking to the pan. And the flour will sort of thicken the mixture naturally.
What do you mean thicken the mixture? What mixture?
Well,
the pie mixture?
When we make the pie and we cut the chicken up, this just gives it a coating so that it stops the chicken from burning and sticking to the pan. But whilst the chicken has the flour on, it will, when we cut it up and we make the mixture, it will give it sort of a natural thickener because the flour is already on there. Brown it on one side, then you turn it over and you brown it on the other side, and then you just leave it to cook on each side for about 10 to 15 minutes. So you want to semi-cook the chicken, and then you're going to cut it up into pieces. We're going to add the stock, we're going to add a tin of mushrooms, and then we're going to thicken the whole thing with a little bit of corn flour.
Guys, my dad's just turned up. Hey Papa.
Hello.
Hello. I forgot I can't kiss you, can I? Oh God. Sad.
No, because I've got the virus.
Look, everyone with their flags on their houses.
Hi.
Hello! Good. She's gone out for a walk.
Is she?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Caramel syrup, people. This is for our, what's it called? Dongala coffee? Yeah, I think it's that. All of our food. Thank you for the delivery, Papa. What else have you got, Papa?
What your mother wanted. She gave me a list.
Oh yeah.
But this wasn't on it.
Whose is that? For us?
Yours.
Oh yay! It looks lovely.
Go and take it in and empty it and bring the bags back to me, please.
Okay. Guys, I thought I'd do a little haul. So we've got some buns. That's my camera, don't mind that. Some plant burgers, love them. Some more corn fritter plant burgers. Ignore my nails, please. Ignore them. I've just peeled off all my nail varnish. Corn goujons, love them. Lots for Nadia.
There's a wrist support there, I found.
Vegetarian burgers again, love them. Whole pack. Spinach, veg, potatoes, some more flour for baking. Sensation crisp for Nadia. I love this. Look at this, people.
Fountains as well, I've never seen them.
Wow. Feta cheese. Nadia loves feta cheese. We've got that. What is this? Spring onions for salad. Lovely. Nice little haul, Papa.
You got one more.
Okay, so we're looking for Nadia. We don't know where Nadia is. Here she is.
Hello. I went all the way to the fields and like down the new road and like all the way through there. It was really lovely.
Where all the buttercups? And the
Yeah.
Guys, we've got a private ambulance here because my mum owns a funeral service. And yeah,
You smell
that's
nice.
why
Where's that
the
pepper?
funeral... You're so brown, Nadia, honestly. How have you got so brown?
3 days in the garden.
Wow, you're so brown.
Thank you.
So Mama's made chicken pie. Papa's here, he
Lovely.
got us loads of treats.
I messaged him to want some ice lollies. I really wanted some ice lollies.
Right, well, we don't have those.
Do you have any ice cream?
No, and he got a trifle though, like a Thornton's chocolate trifle.
Ooh,
Yeah,
chocolate.
yeah.
Would have been great with some ice cream.
And also look at my eyelashes. I haven't had long eyelashes ever in my life. Look at them.
I
can
told
actually
you
put
they were
mascara
getting
on
long
them.
yesterday. Yeah, it looks really nice. I just curled mine.
Yeah, I don't know how they're like growing. I don't know. We're being a bit vain here. Let's stop.
No, the eyelashes are really nice. It's
Yeah.
fine.
So I always
Lift
wear
yourself
fake.
up.
I always wear fake ones, and like I've never
You
been
haven't had
never
for
been able.
years. You
I've
haven't
never
had.
been able to put mascara on.
Yeah, I know. They look really nice, and the eyebrows and everything.
Our house looks quite big here, doesn't it?
I think it is.
It probably is. I
Yeah,
don't know, but
I mean,
to
from
us,
the- yeah, I
it
don't
probably
know.
isn't.
Wow, that's such a nice breeze.
I know. What else was I going to say? Got a
we got-
burger, Nadia.
No,
No, it's really nice.
No.
It's fake. It's not actual burger. It tastes like beef though. It's not.
I don't know. I feel like ice cream.
Right, you can have the trifle, but you should eat first, like with the brioche buns and everything.
A nice juice, the freshly squeezed orange juice. I put peach juice in, and I put cranberry juice in, and it tastes really nice with ice. Should I make that for you as well?
No, I don't want any, but yeah, make it and make sure you vlog it so they can see what you're doing.
Okay.
And you can put it together, because today we're probably going to do separate vlogs and we just put it both together.
Okay. Hi, Papa. Hello. Social distancing. Don't touch me.
Holly, I need to get past.
Okay, sorry, here you go. Go past.
Thank
Love you,
you,
Papa. Are you?
darling. I'll put your wrist thing on me there.
Oh, thank you, guys. My wrist has been really hurting me. I basically have carpal tunnel syndrome, so that's great. Like even when I pick up my phone and use it, it hurts me. Like it's really bad.
Is that what Kim Kardashian had from taking selfies?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, I think she did have something like that, didn't she?
We need to get a tripod,
Yeah.
don't we? I'm so tired from that walk. Oh, taking my walk next time, guys. It's really nice. And I found these steps that you can go up, and you can basically do a
Where?
workout on there.
Where?
Going, like, you know, into the fields. It goes up to the new road. Yeah. So
Oh, I
from the
know. Yeah, I
fields-
know what you mean. Yeah.
So we could do like a workout there using the steps.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Oh, Papa.
sat down. Also making a chicken wrap here. So we've got some salad, peppers, tomatoes, rocket, leaves, cucumber, and I'm going to put some mayo on. Here's the mayo, people. Just going to put some down the side. This is the one we like to use.
So this is the wrist thing Peppa got me.
Why don't you stand with the Mercedes badge behind you?
Okay, yeah, good idea. You're clever. Don't get the car, get me in it. Stand here. Stand there. Okay, yeah? Guys, this is the
You stood in
wrist.
front of the badge.
This is the wrist support that my dad got me. Does it go like this, Peppa?
I've no idea, darling.
And then it goes like that. Oh, that's really clever. To help me when I'm like doing my notes and stuff. See? And I can use my phone and... I feel like a boxer.
What did you put in it? When did you make this?
Literally, it took me 2 seconds. I did the orange juice, the cranberry juice, and I put some peach juice in.
So you just mixed juices. It's not like you squeezed it.
I couldn't bother to squeeze it all over again.
So it's just fruit juice.
But which one was better, this one or the one yesterday?
Yesterday.
Right? Because it's freshly squeezed orange, isn't it?
Anyway, I'm
And
just
my nails, look how long they look.
Oh yeah, looks really nice.
I know, look how long they are.
Wow, wow.
I know.
I am gonna go for a walk, guys, with the rest of my family. We're gonna go on like a outdoor walk. So can you basically vlog the rest of the pie? Vlog doing the pastry if
Okay.
you help Mama.
Yeah.
And
That's fine.
yeah, vlog putting the filling in and putting it in the oven and stuff.
Okay, so not the whole thing, I can just do little bits here and
Yeah,
there
just do
during
little
revision.
bits because she's revising. And then I'm going to vlog
Okay.
my walks, so then you guys can see what I do on the walk. So we're making basically 2 separate vlogs and then put them together for you guys.
That's fun though, to see how they make the chicken pie. And then we can keep it for future reference and we want to make it for ourselves.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So you need to make
Brilliant.
sure we vlog it all. Mama
Alright.
keeps going ahead of herself. We should get her to vlog it.
Get her a camera.
Yeah. So, no thanks. Yeah, I'm actually really tired though.
Me too. The sun honestly actually drains you.
I
Sitting
know.
in the sun.
Yeah.
It does make you tired.
It does.
Did you sit in the sun a lot today?
No, not really. I don't know what
Can I
I've
see? Oh. I don't
What?
like that brown compared to like when I'm next to you now.
You do?
Do I?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm going to go get ready for the walk and we'll catch up with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so now we're just frying the leeks. This is where we're at the moment. We're mixing the leeks and the chicken together.
Yeah. So
Okay, guys. So what you explain then?
I just
Laughing. Well, I'll explain. So basically, my mum's mixed in homemade gravy, some leeks, and the chicken all together in a pan.
put some butter in here because this will just crisp the pastry at the bottom when it's in the oven. What I've done is I've rolled the pastry a little bit widthwise and a little bit lengthwise just to fit in this Pyrex dish. And I've put flour underneath to stop it from sticking. Put this in here. I'm just going to make it fit in the Pyrex dish. Trim the edge.
This is to get all the excess pastry off, guys, so it doesn't burn in the oven. Okay, guys, and then we just do this for what decoration would you say?
This seals the edges with the back of the fork, but it also gives it a nice look. Ooh.
Oh my god, it's all going wrong.
It's the egg yolk.
Okay, guys, so I separated an egg yolk from the egg, and now I'm going to put it on the pie because it gives it that golden look and just crisps it a bit more, doesn't it, Mama?
And it seals the edges. If you put it on the edges as well, it doesn't matter if it goes in a little bit, it just seals the edges.
Seals the edges, so
Can you see now? Look,
here
that's
we
sealed.
go. Yeah, so it seals the edges, doesn't it?
Yeah, and afterwards we could just go over it with the fork again.
Yeah.
And I've been washing hands in between the whole time, so you can do the same.
You just go along like so.
This is leftover pastry. You can do this, look, and add it on, which will just...
Make it look pretty. You can put them into love hearts.
And now, if you can now cover everything with the egg yolk,
Okay.
then we'll just tidy it up at the end. Just dab it. Don't move.
I am dabbing. I'm
Just dab.
dabbing.
That's
Oh,
it.
right.
Very lightly.
I see what you mean. I see what you mean, Roxana. Mama, you're literally a chef. Oh my god. Smiley face. Is it actually going to show up though after when we take it out?
Not sure.
Mama, it looks a bit scary now. What the hell?
I know, that should have just been slits. Okay.
Okay, guys, this is the finished look for our pie. And I'm really excited. We're going to put this in the oven and then we'll show you the finished look. Okay. Put it in the middle shelf. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. Our smiley face went a bit not smiley, but yeah, I think I should have put more egg yolk in the middle areas. But this is what it should look like, and it's going to be so yummy. So we're going to do a taste test soon and let you guys know.
And you can see underneath, look, it's gone all nice and brown.
Yes, very yummy.
Hey guys, so I came home from my walk and I did a quiz with Nadia. I didn't get to vlog my walk, partly because I didn't actually go on a walk, so I don't know why I just said that. I ended up just seeing my cousins and just basically chilling, so we didn't do anything. But I came home and I did a quiz with Nadia, but we filmed that in a separate video, so you guys can watch that in a different video after this. And yeah, it's on the pie and everywhere really, it's fine.
And the chips.
Oh, do you want it a bit more thicker? Hang on.
But yeah, that's our dinner.
Okay, here we go, taste test. Ready?
It's gonna be really hot actually.
Okay, blow on it.
Everyone gets annoyed when I blow on my food.
They're nice eyelashes.
Aren't they?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Pressure to eat really nicely.
No, it's fine, go for it.
Mmm.
Very nice. Oh my god, okay, I'm gonna try mine.
My
It's
mum
a-
said that the reason why it's nice is because of the stock. So you know that stock we showed you? What did you say about the stock, Mama? Why does that make a difference?
Homemade.
Because it's homemade.
Simple as that.
Simple as that. So normally when you guys make a chicken pie, I don't know what you guys do, but my mum puts the stock in. Do you put gravy in as well?
Well, some people make it with gravy, some people sort of put a tin of soup in it.
Oh, no, I don't really like. People put mushroom soup in, don't they? I don't really like that. Yeah. Anyway, that's that. Nadia, should we do your taste test?
Okay, how is it?
Mmm.
Oh, that's one of the best you've made. That's really nice. It's great, guys. Definitely try and make it.
Nadia, do you want to get in the vlog to say goodbye? So we're going to close out today's video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And our post notification... I'm not going to do what you do now. Our post notification shout out goes to Iman. Thank you for watching our videos and always supporting us. We love you. Thank you. If you guys would like a post notification shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, put one of our videos on your Instagram story and tag us, and then we will see it and shout you out in our video. Thank you guys. Bye.